Why does one handmade table sell for $300 while another sells for $3,000? The answer isn't just the wood, and the biggest reason might surprise you. Many successful furniture makers didn't start with expensive workshops. They started with proven project plans that helped them build faster and avoid costly mistakes. If you're curious about the woodworking resource that includes 16,000 plans, CAD drawings, premium training videos, business guides, custom plan requests, and lifetime plan downloads, check the first link in the description. Here's why custom furniture commands premium prices. Reason 1: Personalization. Customers are willing to pay more for furniture built to their exact size, style, wood species, and finish, something mass-produced furniture can't offer. Reason 2: Craftsmanship. Strong joinery, quality materials, and attention to detail make handcrafted furniture stand out and justify higher prices. Reason 3: Unique designs. Custom pieces are one of a kind, so buyers focus on the value rather than comparing prices with store-bought furniture. Reason 4: Professional presentation. Beautiful photos, clear craftsmanship, and confident pricing make customers see your work as premium. If you want to build high-quality furniture or even start a woodworking business, check the first link in the description. It gives you instant access to 16,000 woodworking plans, a CAD plan viewer, 150 premium videos, how to start a woodworking business, free custom plan requests, and free plan downloads for life. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what custom furniture project would you love to build?